Hi, Jarrod Carman from the Eview Group, Mornington Peninsula, and you are at 7A Macdonald Grove in Mornington. This house is fantastic. You set down the end of a long driveway, very private, and you're in one of the best locations ever. You've got a park just to the side of you. It's sensational. You can throw the kids or grandkids straight out of the fence. Through the fence, you don't even have to go over, through the fence. You can walk to Main Street, Mornington. It is brilliant. But don't hang around listening to me. Let's go inside and check it out. This is a modern marvel masterpiece. From the outside, the polished concrete look outside, to coming in inside, the beautiful timber floors. It is amazing. Have a look at this kitchen. So really nice open plan living space. They've used every bit of space in this home. There's little secret rooms everywhere, but fantastic kitchen. So great open plan living space, awesome kitchen, really nice stone bench tops. Everything's tucked away, so you've got integrated dishwasher, fantastic bench space all the way through, really lovely Asko appliances. And I love this, being able to see out to the garden and the light coming in here straight into the kitchen is fantastic. I really like this room. Cozy, yet big enough and warm, and it leads outside the entertaining. Now there's such cool spaces around this property. One behind this little hidden wall is the powder room. You've got a great powder room here, so if you're entertaining, you can send people just around the corner and you wouldn't even know it's here. Tucked away, nice and private. Ground level, so you come home from your shopping, straight into the kitchen, start packing things away. And in the garage is another little amazing use of space. Tucked away perfectly here is the laundry. It's actually hidden in behind the stairs. You wouldn't even know it's there. And again, fantastic. Come home from the beach, straight into the garage, throw everything in there. Doesn't have to enter the house. Upstairs, and you're into this great landing. This room, I love this room. Into this great size room. It could be a bedroom if you want it to be, but this is the perfect use for an upstairs living area. You've got some louvered windows here, but this for me is amazing. You can look out to the park straight out there, but it's still quite private. The trees kind of block that people look into you, but you've got this feeling of space around you. Beautiful. To the main bedroom, you've got this framed window that looks out again to the park. You've got louvered windows there too. This is of a really nice proportion, so a big room, lots of storage, heaps of cupboard space. And then there's the ensuite bathroom. How good is this bathroom? You've got a really huge sink here, so two people can be in the sink at the same time. In louvered windows, so you get a nice cross flow of ventilation, and a big shower. You get a great shower. This is just luxurious and nice. Really nice use of colours. Also upstairs, you have bedroom 2, really large room. That's a great bedroom, built-in robes. And then bedroom 3, again, it's the flip. Really good sized, nice high ceilings. Then there's the bathroom upstairs as well. Really huge bench space, this nice floating bench, I like that. There is a bath, there's a great bath and a big open shower as well. This is an exceptionally good bathroom. And if you're into entertaining, this is the place for you. You've got a massive bank of doors that slide open and this amazing outdoor entertaining area. So cool. You've got some heat lamps, ceiling fan on those hotter days. This is so nice out here. It's private, there's no one looking into you. It is awesome. And through that gate, you can put the kids through there and just go and play in the park. This is the perfect home for people that don't need or like maintenance. It's easy care, there's nothing to be mowed. It's fake grass, but it's beautiful. So if you do have little pooches or any fur babies, they can come and play here. It is an amazing home. It's such a cool property. You're really close to Main Street, Mornington. You're close to the beaches and all the things we've talked about before. This is it. If you're looking for a low maintenance property, you've found it. If you'd like to book an inspection, please give myself, my team a call anytime, and let's get you into a new amazing home. Let's make it happen.